Hi Fierce Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina Sanders, aka Fierce Glam Mom, and today we're gonna do a really fun video. We're gonna try this out together. This is the Amazon List Kit, and this is the Unique Step. I've tried and done a video on this brand before, but it was the keratin treatment or the Brazilian treatment or something like that. I will link that video down below in case you want to check that one out. But we are going to try this one out today, and I will share the directions with you guys and kind of show you as much as I can, but some of it I won't be able to show you. So here really quick, I'm going to insert a clip of everything that comes in this box right here. Okay, so you guys saw that it came with all that stuff. So today we're going to be doing just the Unique Step Protein Smoothing Brush. We're just going to do this part right here. And then the shampoo and conditioner I will continue to use, and I will let you guys know. I will post a picture and stuff on Instagram and let you guys know what I think about using these, but I'm not going to use those today. I'm just going to do the smoothing treatment. So if you guys are excited to see what my hair is going to look like after and the directions on this and how, easy it is to do or not, and let's go ahead and try this out and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so step 1 says to make sure that your hair is dry and clean without styling it. So it is, as you guys can see. Step 2 is to apply this Amazon List protein smoothing brush throughout the hair and then leave on for 40 minutes. And this is where you put on the gloves, and I will show you guys. We'll apply that. Okay, so that is completely applied to my hair, and we're going to leave that on for 40 minutes. And then you are going to go rinse 50% of the hair. So I'm going to jump in the shower and kind of rinse it out just a little bit, and then I'm going to jump back out. So I can't show you guys that part, but I wanted to let you guys know what I was going to be doing. And then I will jump back on here and let you guys know what the next step is. Okay, so I rinsed about 50% of it out, and now step 4 is to blow dry your hair. So I'm going to blow dry my hair and divide it into 4 parts. So I'm going to blow dry it, and I'll do it on the silent and fast forward it a little bit so you guys don't have to hear the blow drying the whole time. But I'm going to go ahead and get that step done, and then we'll go on to the next one. Okay, so I blow dried my hair, and then the end of part 4, so to divide your hair into 4 parts, but I divided mine into 5. So there's 2 right here, there's 2 back here, and then this is the part that I'm gonna start on. So I'm just waiting for my straightener to heat up, and then we will get started on step 5. Step 5 says that you apply the flat iron 8 to 10 times from the root to the middle of the strands, and from 4 to 5 times on the ends. The flat iron temperature should range between 200 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, which is 380 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a low temperature for hair that is more damaged. So I'm gonna just assume that my hair is basically considered normal because I haven't been doing anything to my hair lately. So I am going to show you. So we're gonna flat iron from here to the middle for 8 to 10 times, and then we're gonna do from, you know, from the middle to the ends for 4 to 6 times. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Okay, so there we have 1 strand done. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 more, and then I will finish my hair out and show you guys the finished product. So let's do another strand. So there's 2 strands done so far. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of this because this part, other than the waiting 40 minutes for that stuff to sit on your hair before you wash some of it out, this is the part that's gonna take me probably the longest, but I will come back and show you guys my hair when it is completely done, and then I will tell you what step 6 is, okay? Okay guys, so I am back, and here is my hair all finished. I'm trying to show you guys both sides. You guys can let me know how it looks, what you think. But it just looks so smooth and so amazing and so straight. And I know that when I did a treatment that was like this last time, it lasted, I want to say, at least 3 months, 2 or 3 months. And so that brings me to the last part. That was the protein smoothing brush that we applied today and that I showed you guys. And then after that, you use the shampoo and conditioner, and that helps it last, the smoothing effect lasts for up to 3 to 4 months. So this is really cool. It's a really great way to keep your hair from, you know, to keep your hair straight, especially if you have curlier hair than I did. I just like that I don't have to straighten my hair every single day. It keeps it looking straight and beautiful, and and so shiny. It looks amazing. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this or anything you guys want to say. I'll have the link down below for it if you guys want to check it out. I will even try to put together a before and after photo for you guys so you guys can see what my hair looked like before and what it looks like now. I just have to go take my after picture here in a moment, and then I will create a collage of those too. So yeah, definitely give me a thumbs up if you guys liked this video. Definitely give me a thumbs down if you didn't like this video so I know what you guys do and don't like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried anything like this, or if this looks interesting, or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. And I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day, night, weekend, whenever you're watching this. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!